Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make thumbnail with CapCut. Here are the steps to make a thumbnail using CapCut on Windows. First is to open CapCut. On the home screen, click New Project. Go to Media, click Import, choose your file, then click Open to upload your photos or video frame you want to use for your thumbnail. Drag your image into the timeline. If using a video, scroll through and pause on the frame you want to turn into a thumbnail. Click Edit Cover, then choose Select from Video to capture that frame as an image, then hit Edit. Add text by clicking Text. Add text, then type your thumbnail title. Customize your text. Change the font, size, and shadow to make it stand out. Click Stickers if you want to add icons, emojis, or overlays for extra design. Reposition all elements like text, stickers, photos until the layout looks clean and eye-catching. When finished, click Save, then click Export. Format MP4, name your file, and click Export to save your thumbnail. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.